Hi guys, Vanessa here to show you how Ultra Repair BarriAIR Cream from First Aid Beauty works to help repair your skin barrier. You may not know this, but a stronger skin barrier can lead to happier skin that is hydrated, soothed, less prone to sensitivity, and more resistant to external aggressors. Ultra Repair BarriAIR Cream is a light as air moisturizer that not only helps strengthen the skin barrier, but also balances and provides adaptable hydration for normal, combo, and dry skin. This super clean formulation is packed with barrier strengthening ingredients, including ceramides to help strengthen and moisturize, and linoleic acid to help fortify and restore. Tri-molecular weight hyaluronic acid and Optum-Hyal work to ensure skin is hydrated on multiple levels and can adapt to skin's needs throughout the day. Colloidal oatmeal works to help calm and soothe. It's fragrance-free and oil-free, and like all Fab products, it's allergy tested, safe for sensitive skin, and cruelty-free. Fab tested this product on consumers with normal, combo, and dry skin types, and they found that the moisturizer was clinically proven to immediately improve the skin barrier function. And 92% felt the perfect amount of hydration to all zones of the face throughout the day. To use, simply apply evenly over clean skin, morning and evening. With Ultra Repair BarriAIR Cream, you can strengthen, balance, and hydrate your skin to keep it in its happy place every day.